Please join us in welcoming the 2025 SMX 250 champion back to racing. We are happy to confirm that Joe Shimoda is planning to compete in the 250 SX East Region Series beginning this Saturday in Arlington, Texas. That the post from Honda Racing USA on their Instagram saying that Joe Shimoda is back. Now, obviously, after suffering the neck injury in the offseason, it kind of seemed like his Supercross might have been done. But from what it sounds like, his recovery has gone speedy. From his own team saying, quote, "Up next for Honda HRC Progressive is AMA Supercross Round 7 this Saturday in Arlington, Texas, which is a military appreciation race. The event marks the first round of the 250 SX East Region Series, and Joe Shimoda is planning to compete. The Japanese racer suffered a neck injury during the offseason, but has made a relatively speedy recovery from surgery. Everyone at Honda is happy to welcome the 2025 SX 250 champion back to racing." Now, obviously, probably hasn't had that much time on the bike, but any points are good points. If you can come and, have a relatively good year. I mean, look how he did last year with the broken hand and still ended up with the SMX title. Any sort of point savings is a positive thing. You get a little bit here, you do well and work your way into motocross, and then, you're in play for another SMX title. And for the good thing is he should be, well, again, if he's healthy and competitively fast for it, he should be a guy at any point who could be a podium race winner, overall championship contender if he's, knock on wood, healthy enough for it. So this adds some depth to the East division, and it's never a bad thing. You add top guys, factory rides into a division, it's going to only be positive. As long as he's not like 60% and slow and looks dangerous to himself and others, if he can go out there, be at least semi-competitive, challenge for some later round podiums or wins, hey, you cannot complain about this. It'll be awesome to see him back, especially coming back from, as Racer X says it, suffered a broken neck during the offseason. So coming back from that, from November to where we are now, February, it's a pretty good recovery time, you got to say. And again, knock on wood, hopefully he is, healthy. Hopefully he is going to be at a level where he can be competitive and not be a danger to himself or people around him. But we'll see where this goes. I mean, obviously it's going to be one of those kind of work your way into it. Hopefully the later rounds and going into motocross, he'll be, towards the more 100% right side of things, and he can be more of the competitor that we know. But as long as he's out there and safe and, looking good, this is only a positive. But comment down below. You guys tell me, who do you think is going to win the 250 East division? We know the West is pretty much done with Deegan. But yeah, whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.